The fifth common error is that many Muslims, they eat excessively during iftar or during night or during suhoor. Eating excessively is not the sunnah of the Prophet. And the sixth and the last in this category is that many Muslims, they are not prepared. Mentally, they are not prepared for the fast. Mentally being prepared for the fast is very important. The third category of the common mistakes done by Muslims during the month of Ramadan is the common errors that contradict the sunnah of the Ramadan. And the first common error in this is that many of the Muslims, they neglect praying Taraweeh prayers. Taraweeh is a sunnah muakkada, a very important sunnah, and as far as possible, all the Muslims should pray this. Though it's not a fard, it's sunnah muakkada. Number two, many Muslims recite the Quran so fast, rushing through the Taraweeh Salah. In Taraweeh, the Quran should be recited at moderate pace or slow, so that you have khushu in the Salah and you understand the meaning and it benefits you. The third common mistake is that many of the Muslims, they think that the Laylatul Qadr is fixed on the 27th of Ramadan. It is not fixed. There are high chances that it can be on the 27th of Ramadan night, but to think it is fixed is completely wrong. The fourth common error in this category is that many Muslims, they socialize excessively after Taraweeh Salah. The fifth common mistake is that many of the Muslims, they neglect doing dua, supplication and istighfar. Ramadan is the month of forgiveness, so you should do istighfar, dua and supplication. Sixth is many of us do not recite the Quran during Ramadan. It's important, it's a sunnah to recite as much as Quran as possible during the month of Ramadan. And the last in this category, the seventh, is people, they waste time. Many of the Muslims. Ramadan is a very important month. We should try and grab every minute. You can't afford to waste a single minute in the month of Ramadan. The fourth category of the common errors done by the Muslims in the month of Ramadan is neglecting the faraid, the obligatory duties. And there are four in this category. Number one common error is that many of the Muslims, they miss the Fajr Salah. They may have early suhoor and they sleep and they miss the Fajr Salah, which is haram. Number two, they may miss other Salah. Some of them do the suhoor, pray the Fajr Salah, sleep, and they get up just before Asr or before Iftar. Missing any of the other Fard Salah is also haram. The third is that some of the Muslims, they don't give zakat, even though it's due on them. Any Muslim who has a saving of more than the nisab level, 85 grams of gold, should give 2.5% of that excess wealth if it is there with him for more than one lunar year. And the fourth and the last in this category is that many of the Muslims give zakat, but they don't calculate correctly. And they look for excuses, asking fatwas that, okay, I may not have to give zakat on this wealth and not on that wealth. They give zakat, but they don't calculate correctly. Every Muslim should be careful and calculate the zakat correctly. If they give less, it's a sin. If they give more, it's no harm. So if you're in doubt, give zakat on that thing. It's better to give more. It will be calculated in the normal charity. But if you miss out on any of the fard zakat which you have to give, it's a major sin.